Pranshi Pandya and I majorly have interest in mandalas, and I love to play with colors and experience new different things every day. So, I've gained my interest recently in fluid art, so that's what we are gonna do today. I have experienced this fluid art twice to thrice before. It was both of the time it was a collab work which turned out pretty amazing. Check this link. At that time I gained information first from YouTube, and how I have to pour and the techniques and everything, and then I did the fluid art, which actually turned out pretty amazing. But today we are not gonna use techniques or anything else, because anyhow it is gonna turn out in a beautiful way with the different type of designs which we are gonna love it, and I know that. If you're too confused with the colors thing, that this color will look good and this will not, trust me, every color goes with every color. If you are trying light blue with ocean blue and dark blue, it's gonna look amazing, and that's what I did, which turned out pretty amazing. And it was a hell lot of mesmerizing experience, and I loved it. Today we will just see the suggestion and then we will proceed with the work. So let's do it. Okay, many of the people suggested really nice colors and I appreciate them, and I always like to engage with you guys, trust me. Thanks for supporting, and I mean it. So okay, there is one suggestion by Art by Simran, and she has suggested black, white and golden. Three of them are dark, and I think it can turn out amazing, and I am excited to try that out. Let's do it. Forget to wear gloves, because wearing gloves is important during fluid art so that your hands don't get stained. I was real shocked and happy by watching the outcome of mixing golden color in medium, because it was so much beautiful and mesmerizing that I decided to shoot that. Wait, why didn't I show you, yaar? acrylic pouring. You don't need to mix medium in every color, but only in which if you don't have enough of that particular color. So here I have enough of white and black, so I am not gonna mix it with medium. I know this is not the right way to pour, and that's the main agenda of doing this today. If you wanna know the correct way to do it, check out another video by clicking on to the given link. As soon as I realized it is not going on a path of any good design as I did thought, I started pouring every color zigzagly so that it might take any good design. And trust me, it did turn out in a much better way. This thing just stole my heart today, and I am really very happy with the outcome of this fluid art. You know, Simranpal, I have to say this. You are an amazing artist, and I never doubted your suggestions with the colors or with anything else, but I have to say this. You are amazing. I'm just happy. So today's work was pretty amazing, and I'm happy. I'm extremely happy because I did that on my own without using any techniques or anything, and that was possible by an amazing suggestion made by Simranpal. And if you want to check my daily creativity, just @Cartel with __ on Instagram, and you know, I'm really happy that you guys appreciate me doing this work, and I'm really overwhelmed right now, and I really love you guys.